Have you ever found yourself yawning right after seeing someone else yawn? It's almost like an automatic response, isn't it? I know I have. It's such a common experience that it almost feels like a universal human trait. Today, let's dive into the fascinating science behind contagious yawning. It's a topic that has intrigued scientists for years. First things first, yawning isn't just about being tired or bored. It's a behavior that has puzzled researchers for decades. In fact, it's actually a complex, multi-layered process that's still not fully understood by scientists. Crazy, right? There's so much more to it than meets the eye. So why do we yawn when we see others yawn? It's a question that has led to several interesting theories. One theory is that it's linked to empathy and social bonding. Our ability to connect with others on an emotional level might be at play here. Our brains are wired to mimic the actions and emotions of those around us. This mirroring helps us understand and relate to each other better. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons light up, making you more likely to yawn too. It's like a built-in empathy response. It's a bit like your brain saying, "Hey, I see you're yawning, let me join you." This shared experience can strengthen social bonds. But that's not the only theory. There are other fascinating ideas out there. Another idea is that contagious yawning could be a way for groups to synchronize their behavior. This could have been crucial for survival in ancient times. Think about it. In ancient times, if one person in a group yawned to stay alert, it could trigger a chain reaction, helping the entire group stay vigilant. This collective alertness could have been a key to survival. Then there's the cooling hypothesis. This one is particularly interesting. Yawning might help regulate brain temperature. It's like a natural air conditioning system for your brain. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath of air, which can cool down your brain and help it function better. This cooling effect might be why yawning feels so refreshing. So when you see someone else yawning, your brain might think, "Hey, we could use a little cooling too." It's a fascinating interplay of biology and behavior. Interestingly, not everyone is equally susceptible to contagious yawning. This variability adds another layer of complexity to the phenomenon. Some studies suggest that children under the age of 4 and people with certain conditions like autism are less likely to experience it. This could be due to differences in their mirror neuron systems. This might be because their mirror neuron systems are still developing or function differently. It's a reminder of how diverse human experiences can be. To wrap it up, contagious yawning is a fascinating blend of empathy, social bonding, and perhaps even brain temperature regulation. It's a behavior that connects us in more ways than one. Next time you catch yourself yawning after someone else, you'll know there's a lot more going on than just being tired. It's a small but intriguing glimpse into the complexity of human behavior. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing insights. Your support helps us bring you more fascinating content. See you in the next one. Until then, keep yawning and stay curious.